Hey gang, today we're looking at this gorgeous 1971 Chevelle Convertible. Really pretty car. Power top, power brakes, power steering, and AC. Definitely get the whole kit and caboodle. She drives really nice. Spectacular. She shows so nicely. And she cruises really smoothly. She's really fun to drive, really easy to drive. And you definitely have that nice, aggressive Chevelle look as you're going down the street. Love the red and black racing stripes, look fantastic. Going off the rear and off the hood. It's really nice. What you see is what you get on this bad boy. I mean, fantastic condition. I just can't stress that enough. Paint's really, really nice. Very, very minimal blemishes. Just a beautiful car. So let's go ahead. Now I was just going to keep walking around showing you some of the features. But let's go ahead and take it for a spin and see how she runs.
Sounds good. Demonstrating this top going up and down. It is automatic, so I have the car on right now. It is in park, and we have the little control here. Down, you're going to simply push down. And there is a top cover. It's actually tucked in there right now, and I have pictures of it up. I'm just going to pull it, untuck it, and then I'll kind of attach it. Just kind of tucks in around the chrome fitting here, but it looks very nice, very sleek, and it is extremely clean.
Let's go ahead and crank her. Starts right up. Looks like our gauges are working. Clock's not though. Very, very smooth.
We got the top down.
Super smooth shifting. Sometimes in these old cars, on the transmissions, you'll kind of get a lurch from first to second. None of that in this case. Brakes feel really nice too. I just stopped there with my hands off the wheel, no pulls, no shakes or anything like that. Downshifted properly. Sounds really nice.
Yeah, it does.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous car. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a U-ing. We'll get her back to the shop and up on the lift.